Here's another example of a role center, the sales rep. Let's review a process driven by workflow. This is the new expense management module, enabling me to quickly submit expenses. At the top of the page, you can see a list of credit card transactions that have been imported. To improve accuracy and save time, these can be simply added to the expense report. In this example, I'm going to enter a hotel expense. It will be $700. The policy engine prompts me to itemize this expense for tax purposes. Microsoft Dynamics AX provides these workflow tools across the application to help companies manage compliance. The process of creating policies for the system are straightforward. In this case, the policy has been specified to allow the employee to submit the charge but display a warning. Now the sales manager will submit the expense. This is the start of the workflow process. The sales rep can include comments along with her submission. Now we'll switch to the role center of the sales director, who is responsible for approving expenses. You can see a work list with the expense report from the sales rep displayed at the top. With just a few clicks, the sales manager can preview the expense report and approve it. One benefit of the workflows in Microsoft Dynamics AX is that they provide organizations with tracking and audit capabilities. In this case, the details of previous expense reports are always available for review. In addition, the workflow history provides an accounting of actions taken, such as who submitted the report, who approved it, and when. Compliance is also about documenting procedures for external parties. Microsoft Dynamics AX provides a Compliance Center. The Compliance Center is a Microsoft SharePoint application that enables the tracking and reporting of process documentation. For example, vendor disbursements can be tracked using the Compliance Center. Compliance managers can review the controls in place, such as which employees signed off on the process. Microsoft Dynamics AX also provides an integrated task recorder. With the recorder turned on, the user can perform a task, record it, and export to a Microsoft Word document. Here is the document with the screens captured. In this section of the demonstration, you have seen how workflow engines can coordinate transactions between employees, and how the policy engine in expense management can be used to control internal compliance. You've also seen how the Compliance Center can help companies manage process documentation and regulatory compliance. Microsoft Dynamics AX has advanced localization capabilities to enable companies to run in a single instance. Unicode support greatly simplifies the process. Here you can see the interface in simplified Chinese. Microsoft Dynamics AX now supports any language, including bidirectional language support. You can see here the UI in Arabic. Robust localization support enables Microsoft Dynamics AX to support companies that want to expand into new markets while maintaining visibility into operations. Microsoft Dynamics AX provides support for multi-site operations. Here, we see a new locations visualization to help us manage the supply chain or other multi-site operations. Users can drill down into the company structure and individual sites, such as warehouse or production units. We can also export this information to Microsoft Office Visio for documentation or presentation purposes. Microsoft Dynamics AX also provides support for multiple time zones. For single-instance deployments, time zone support allows users to manage multiple time zones through a central server. The support is required to calculate accurate shipments between geographically distributed facilities, such as warehouses or production facilities. Microsoft Dynamics AX supports multi-site operations across the entire application. For example, multi-site support is enabled in production, master planning, and available to promise functionality. By drilling into this sales order, I can run the ATP functionality from the lines. For this sales order, we don't have stock on hand in the default location. However, if we change the site, we see that we have stock on hand to complete the sale and keep our customer happy. With multi-site capabilities, time zone support, and robust language support, Microsoft Dynamics AX helps companies manage complex supply chains and compete in global markets. Microsoft Dynamics AX delivers the ability to run single-instance deployments that reduce cost and still provide visibility and compliance across the supply chain. We hope you've enjoyed this demonstration of the business value of Microsoft Dynamics AX 2009. For more information, please contact your Microsoft representative.